Hello, first graders, and happy Monday. Our target skill for today is I can use indefinite pronouns in my sentences. We know that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Let's take a closer look at indefinite pronouns. What is an indefinite pronoun? Well, we know that it will be a word that takes the place of a noun. But it also is not specific about the person or number. So we have used pronouns before like he and she. He and she can tell us if our noun is a boy or a girl. Indefinite pronouns don't tell us about the person or about the number. Indefinite pronouns can make you wonder. Everyone say, They can make us wonder because they do not give us details about the person or number in the noun. Another thing about indefinite pronouns is they are a way to talk about many people without having to name each one. Let's take a look at some examples. Is anyone ready to pick apples? The indefinite pronoun in this sentence is anyone. I'm not asking, are you ready to pick apples? I'm asking, is anyone ready to pick apples? Does that tell you a specific person or a specific number? It doesn't. Another example is we have everything we need. Did I tell you exactly what we have? No. Everything is the indefinite pronoun that takes the place of the noun. I don't have to write a sentence that says, we have our toothbrush, we have our shirt, we have our socks, we have our t-shirts. I can just say, we have everything we need and use an indefinite pronoun. These are some examples of indefinite pronouns. Someone, something, anyone, anything, everyone, everything. Do you notice some things that these words have in common? Well, these are clues that we can use to find indefinite pronouns. They will begin with the word any, every, no, or some. For example, anybody, everybody, nobody, somebody. Anyone, everyone, no one, someone. Anything, everything, nothing, something. So these beginnings are clues that you are reading an indefinite pronoun. Your job today, boys and girls, is going to be to read the indefinite pronouns and glue them into the sentences that make sense. Have a great day, Super Writers, and I will see you tomorrow.